Good morning, students. Today I am going to take a topic from English Grammar for grade 4. The topic is present continuous tense. Before discussing about present continuous tense, I want to give a brief introduction about tense. What is tense? Tense is a form of verb which tells us about the time of an action. Basically, there are three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Suppose in this picture, a girl eats an apple. It means that an action is done at present. So it's a simple present tense. But she ate an apple yesterday also. This means that she did an action in the past. So this sentence is a past tense. But she will be eating an apple tomorrow also. As this action has not yet happened and it will take place tomorrow, therefore it is a future tense. So, let's start today's main topic, present continuous tense. What is a present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is a verb which is used to show an ongoing action happening right now. That means the work or action is continuing at present. For example, she is eating an apple. Right now, the girl is eating. So it's a present continuous tense. In this video, you will learn to form a present continuous tense and will also learn when to use a present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is formed by adding is, are, am with any verb ending in ing. And you know, verb means any action word. So, in any action word ending with ing, if added after is, are, am in a sentence, then it is a present continuous tense. And verb can be anything: sleeping, eating, cooking with all ing. For example, is going, are going, am going, etc. Some more examples. I am reading. Am is added with the verb read, which is ending with ing, that is reading. So it's a present continuous tense. She is eating. Here is added with the verb eat, which is ending with ing, that is eating. So it's an example of present continuous tense. She is eating. They are playing. Here, are is added with the verb play, which is ending with ing, that is playing. These were simple examples of present continuous tense or positive present continuous tense. Present continuous tense can be used to form interrogative sentences. That means questions. We always start a question with words like am, is, are, who, when, where, how, etc. Isn't it? For example, am I reading? Here the sentence starts with am and ends with the verb read. Ending in ing, it is forming a question. So this sentence will be a present continuous interrogative sentence. Am I reading? So it's a question. Is she eating? Here the sentence starts with is and ends with the verb eat ending in ing. Eating. So it is forming a question. So this sentence will be a present continuous interrogative sentence. Are they playing? Here the sentence starts with are and ends with the verb play ending in ing. Again forming a question. So this sentence will be a present continuous interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentence means in the form of question. Present continuous tense can be used to form negative sentences. Sentences where we get no, not type of words are negative sentences. Like is not, am not, are not. For example, I am not reading. In this sentence, am is with the verb read, ending in ing, reading. But the word not is in between or before the verb, which makes it a negative present continuous tense. She is not eating. In this sentence, she is with the verb eat, ending in ing. But the word not is before the verb, which makes it a present continuous negative sentence. Again, they are not playing. Here, in this sentence, they is with the verb playing. But the word not is before the verb, which makes it a negative present continuous tense or present continuous negative sentence. So, we have learnt that when subject is added to be, which is then added to verb with ing, it forms present continuous tense. For example, I am working. I is the subject. Always I, you, they, she, he, she, it are subjects. Now, I is added to be, am, and then verb ing, working. So, I am working is an example of present continuous tense, but in a positive tense. If you are using not working, then it will become negative present continuous tense. By looking at this table, you can frame your own sentences with positive, negative and questions. That is interrogative present continuous sentence. But only thing is that if it is negative, you have to write not. Now let's practice some exercises with present continuous tense. My brother is eating an apple. The boy is talking to his teacher. The yellow colored underlined words forms the present continuous tense. Is eating, is talking is an example of present continuous tense. Now listen to this story. Lisa is walking back home. She sees a dog in a house. The dog is barking at the man. As she walks, she sees a boy. He is helping the old lady to cross the road. Lisa feels that it is going to rain. So she is running back home. All these are examples of present continuous tense. Thank you.